Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, which is Samsung's mid-range 5G phone. Is this the best mid-range 5G phone out there? Let's find out. Firstly, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has a sleek and stylish design, with a large 6.5-inch Full HD++ Super AMOLED display. The display is bright, vibrant and has excellent color accuracy. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and swiping a breeze. Moving on to the camera, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has a quad camera setup on the back, consisting of a 48MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The camera performs well in well-lit environments, capturing good detail and colors. The ultra-wide camera is great for capturing landscapes and the macro camera is perfect for getting up close and personal with your subject. On the front, you have a 32MP selfie camera that performs well in good lighting conditions. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor, which is a great mid-range processor for day-to-day use. It also comes with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via microSD. The phone also has a 4500 mAh battery, which should last you a full day with moderate usage. The phone also supports 15 watts fast charging. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G runs on Samsung's One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11. The software is smooth and responsive, with a ton of features that make the user experience great. It also comes with Samsung's Knox security, which is great for keeping your phone secure. Finally, let's talk about 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is a 5G phone, which means you'll be able to take advantage of 5G networks when they become available in your area. 5G networks offer faster download and upload speeds, as well as lower latency, which is great for streaming, gaming, and video calls. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G the best mid-range 5G phone out there? It certainly has a lot going for it, with a great design, good camera, solid performance, and 5G connectivity. If you're in the market for a mid-range 5G phone, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.